Hi, my name is Jatin Purohit. I'm Senior Technical Marketing Architect at VMware. In this lab, we will be discussing about protecting VMware workload in the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Oracle Cloud VMware Solution allows you to deploy VMware SDDC stack into the public cloud infrastructure. Once VMware workloads are into the public cloud infrastructure, you can easily protect the VMware workload in the public cloud infrastructure. In this particular lab, we will demonstrate one such use case, which is protecting VMware workload in the OCI. And with this, you can do the disaster recovery in the public cloud. The typical users are whoever is managing the business continuity plan, the system administrator who will deal with the disaster recoveries, and also the system architects who will build the resilient infrastructure for their tier 1 applications. In this lab, user will experience connecting the on-premises environment with the disaster recovery environment, which is obviously in the public cloud infrastructure, using a service called OCI Fast Connect, which is a dedicated interface between your on-premises environment and the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Once the connectivity is in place, you will set up and configure the Site Recovery Manager for VMware SDDC, and you will able to protect your on-premises workloads into the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Whenever we have new VMware SDDC versions available in OCI, we will upgrade the lab and we will give you the best of what is available with the OCVS. Disaster recovery is a very important aspect of any business continuity plan. Having a resources available at the time of disaster is a critical aspect in keeping your critical workloads up and running. So if you are thinking about protecting your VMware workload into a remote site, which can be a public cloud infrastructure, go and check out the Oracle Cloud VMware Solution and take out this particular lab so that you can learn how you can protect your VMware workload into the public cloud infrastructure.